how to show or hide app notification content on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on notifications. So you will see notifications is here. So click on notifications. Now here, so click on app notifications. So after click on app notifications, so if you want to hide and show notification content on lock screen, so you will select app from here. So after select app, you will see hide or show content when the screen is here. So click on here. So after click on, you will see, so if you want to show app notification content on lock screen, so click on show always. So after click on show always, you will see show notification content on lock screen is show. So if you want to hide app notifications content on lock screen, so click on hide when locked. So after click on hide, so you will see app notification content on lock screen is hide. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can show and hide app notifications content on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.